friends! Welcome to Calypso Phonics. Today, we're going on a tropical adventure to learn the alphabet. Let's explore each letter and see what we can find.
Let's start with the first letter A. Say the sound with me.
A makes the sound ah. A is for ananas. That's another name for pineapple. Look how golden it is.
Uh-huh. Can you say with me?
B makes the sound b. B is for boat. Look, it's floating on the water.
B. Try making the B sound.
C makes the sound k. C is for coconut. Watch it fall from the tree.
K. Say it with me.
D makes the sound d. D is for dolphin. Look at it, jump in the waves.
D. Say it with me.
E makes the sound eh. E is for eel. Look at it wiggle.
Air. Say it with me.
F makes the sound f. F is for flamingo. It stands on one leg.
F. Say it with me.
G makes the sound g. G is for grotto, a hidden sea cave.
Ga. Say it with me.
H makes the sound H is for hermit crab. Watch it scuttle.
Say it with me.
I makes the sound I. I is for iguana. It climbs the trees.
Say it with me.
J makes the sound J. J is for jellyfish. It floats. K makes the sound K. It's for kite, flying high in the sky. L makes the sound L. L is for lighthouse. It shines at night. M makes the sound is for moonlight. It glows over the ocean. N makes the sound N is for nightingale, a singing bird. O makes the sound oo. O is for octopus. It has 8 arms. P makes the sound p. P is for parrot, like Polly. Q makes the sound Q. Q is for Queen Conch, a big shell. R makes the sound R. R is for rainbow, bright colors in the sky. S makes the sound S. S is for shark. It swims fast. T makes the sound T. T is for treasure chest, buried in the sand. U makes the sound oo. U is for urchin, a spiky sea animal. V makes the sound V. V is for volcano. It rumbles. W makes the sound whoa. Is for wave, rolling onto the shore. X makes the sound X. X is for X-ray fish. You can see inside it. Y makes the sound Y. Y is for yams, a tasty island food. Z makes the sound Z. Z is for Z. Time to rest. We did it! We learned all the letters from A to Z. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again at the Calypso Kids.